In New Jersey, an event to bring attention to illegal dumping on Earth Day. Eyewitness News in Camden for the ribbon cutting of A New View.
It teaches us all to be kind to our environment.
A New View is funded by a $1 million grant from Bloomberg Philanthropies Public Art Challenge. It allows 6 sites that have fallen victim to illegal dumping to become home to beautiful artwork.
The hope here is that the project will encourage people to respect the land and vacant lots that are often used for illegal dumping.
A New View for us in Camden City was an opportunity to respond to the Bloomberg Philanthropies project of how do you take a civic issue and use art to transform it.
A New View Camden features 6 public art structures around Camden.
We want to make sure that the art is a means by which we change the perception at the city.
A ribbon-cutting ceremony celebrating a new view in Camden this Earth Day. 6 larger-than-life public art installations are showcased throughout the city. All raise awareness about the problem of illegal dumping.
Hey guys, an art installation like none other. This right here is just one of 6. This robot has a name, and it is Meccan 11, the collector, as you can see, made of stuff that they want to recycle. The heart was designed by a student at the Creative High School.
Last month, marking Earth Day, a new climate change exhibit opening up in Camden, New Jersey. On site, there's a 15-foot-tall steel trash collecting creature and a machine where mealworms eat styrofoam, all to combat illegal dumping in the city.
Those works of art are so cool. A New View will remain in Camden until October 31st. Check out their website for a list of summer events.